Hi, to enable and use magnification on the Samsung Galaxy A34, we just need to go in the settings first. Here, scroll till the accessibility tab and go in the vision enhancements. And now, if we scroll a bit, we'll see this magnification feature. So, as a first step, we need to enable it by tapping on the switcher. And as you can see, we cannot use it while the one-handed mode is enabled, so let's turn this off. And now, to enable magnification, we would need to triple tap the screen. Here you can tap and switch to any other option from the list how you can trigger this feature. So now let's triple tap the screen. And now everything is zoomed in, so you can drag the square anywhere across the screen to see the text bigger or just pictures and so on. You can tap this icon and here adjust some of the settings like that. You can zoom in even more. Just enable or disable allow diagonal scrolling. Here you can resize it and you can go in the edit and manually select the size. Now to disable it, you will need to triple tap again the screen and now it's gone. Let's open settings one more time and here you can select magnification type. Allow switching between partial screen and full screen. This is only partial and this is only full screen. I prefer the first option, so to save the changes, simply go back. And here you can enable or disable these two features as well. And if you go back, you can also see the magnifier. So this is nearly the same, but we can enable it and take a look. So firstly, tap on it and here choose one of three options. I prefer press side and volume up buttons, and now let's try this out. And here we need to allow permissions, and after that you can use this magnifier so everything will be zoomed in as well. Here you can also zoom in even more or zoom out, enable flashlight. Here check some color filters and tap this button to take a photo. So to disable this feature, simply go back and tap on this switcher. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.